This is my sanitary sewer, and I have sewage water coming up when the storm sewer backs up, so I have a backflow preventer drain in there. I'm going to dig a hole for a crock. I'm going to put this in so that anytime the floor is also leached water, when the rain is bad, it comes up through all the cracks and through the expansion. When the water comes in, it's going to drain all into this crock here. So this is an 18-inch 24. It's not a very big one, but it'll work for what I need. There's no drainage tile or anything draining into that. This is just a handle. When the water comes in, it'll pump it out and into the lower part of the yard. That's my layout. I'm going to take a hammer drill, because I don't have a concrete saw. I'm going to drill around the perimeter here and then whack that out of there. So this is the final setup. I created a dedicated circuit on a GFCI for the sump pump. Ran that back to my pin. So there's my, goes all the way up, all the way down. The pipe runs all the way up here. And there it goes out into the outside.